Today we are going to learn about how to get maximum benefit from the video lectures that I am providing or any other video lectures that you are viewing. Actually, video lecture is a tool through which you can understand the subject completely, just like as you do in classroom program. In watching video lectures, you have to follow some rules. Rules are, सबसे पहले, first of all, you have to follow any video lecture chapter completely. You should not open multiple chapters at once and don't go through the complete video lectures. You should go through the video lectures completely one by one, so that you have systematic knowledge of the subject. This will develop the interest in the subject and you can do better. So, first of all, you have to remember that you should open one or two chapters at once and go through that chapter completely. Also, you must remember that you cannot open any chapters from the video lectures and study them. You should go one by one in systematic way. In systematic way means there are some chapters which should be covered first. I have arranged the chapters in physical chemistry, in organic chemistry, in inorganic chemistry in that sequence in video lectures. But you should remember that you have to go through the video lectures in systematic way. Just like in organic chemistry, if you are studying, you have to first learn chemical bonding and periodic table. You can't go through some other chapters like metal and metal, coordination compound and study that. You will not understand those chapters without understanding chemical bonding or periodic table. Similarly, if you are studying organic chemistry, you must go through GOC. Nomenclature is a separate chapter. You can study it isolated way. You can start nomenclature at any time. But before studying organic chemistry from alkane to biomolecules, polymer, you must go through GOC, isomerism and reaction mechanism. Similarly, in physical chemistry, I have provided introduction to science, introduction to chemistry. These chapters also should be covered. Then after, you must go through mole concept, mole 1 chapter, acid base, redox. These are the fundamental chapters. You must do it. So, first thing is to follow the video lectures in systematic way, and then second point is you must complete one chapter first and then go to the other chapters. So first point is go through the video lectures in systematic manner, in systematic way. The systematic way I have provided in video lectures. When you open the folder of physical chemistry, you will first see the chapter of introduction to science, and then you will see introduction to chemistry, then you will see mole concept, then you will see acid base, redox. These are the sequence in which you have to study. Similarly, if you open inorganic chemistry, you will first see chemical bonding and then periodic table. These two chapters must be covered before studying any part of inorganic chemistry. Similarly, for organic chemistry. So you must be systematic to get maximum benefit from the video lectures. First point. Second point, complete one chapter first. After completing one chapter, you should go to you should move to other chapters. This is also important. Never study in arbitrary manner. You first have to complete one chapter and then after you should go to other chapters. You can start 3 chapters, one from physical, one from inorganic, one from organic. But once you started these chapters, you have to have complete them. You cannot go through half of the one chapters and then 1/4 of other chapters and 1/2 or 1/3 of other chapters and so on. Partial knowledge is dangerous. Preferably in chemistry. Chemistry is the most systematic science among physics and math. Physics, math and chemistry. Actually, if you study chemistry partially, there will be more and more doubt. You will do fundamental mistakes. So you must have complete knowledge of any chapters before proceeding further. So this is the second step. Third step is most important. Third step is don't just listen. You just watch. If you are just watching the video lectures, then you cannot get maximum benefit. If you are watching video lectures, then you can easily forget the concept that I have discussed. So you should sit with pen and pencil and paper and write down each and every concept I have discussed. If you need pausing the video lectures, you can pause them. Then you should form a classroom notes as you do in classroom. You should form your own notes by looking at the video lectures, by writing down each concept of video lectures. I have discussed every concept in the video lectures in such a way that you can form your own notes. You can easily form your own notes. So this is the third step and most important step. Sit with paper and pen. Basically copy and pen. Form your own notes. And write down every details. Form your own notes. This is compulsory. By writing down the concepts, basically you are getting involved in the video lectures. You are getting involved in the learning process. If you are just watching the video lectures, then you are not involved so much. But if you are watching, listening, and then writing down the video concepts, then you are 100% involved in the video lectures study. So if you want to get maximum benefit from the video lectures, every time you should sit with pen and paper, and you should write down every detail. You should form your own notes. This is very important step. If you are not doing this, you are just ignoring the learning process. You have to write down every concept. You have to have study with paper and pen. Fourth point. Feel like classroom program. As you feel in classroom, you are studying with your teachers. Just like video lectures, through video lectures, you can study in that way. I have provided you video lectures in most systematic way. I have covered all the concepts, written all the concepts on board, discussed all the concepts on board, so that you can understand each and every concept. This is the most crucial part also. You have to believe that it is just like classroom program. I am already doing all the work, done all the work, so that you can have minimum doubt. You can have minimum doubt because you are not in front of me. You cannot ask directly questions from me. So I have mentioned all the concepts or in the video lecture so that you can maximum benefit. You have minimum doubt. Okay. So feel like classroom. Raise your question. Raise questions in your mind. And if doubt occur, write it down. Feel like classroom program. If any doubt occur, raise your doubts. If any doubt occur, you should write it down. However, I have done my work to eliminate doubts from your mind, but there will be some doubts. If you are studying, if you are a good student, there will be doubt in your minds. So write their doubts. And fifth step is also important, and it is for page member only. Message me that doubt. Message me that doubt. Message me that doubt on WhatsApp number 9852476717. You should message your doubt on this WhatsApp number. Your reply will be uploaded. On YouTube, WhatsApp, with your name, with your name. Your reply will be uploaded on YouTube or WhatsApp with your name as playlist on YouTube in 8 to 10 days. So this is also important part. If any doubt is occurring, you should write it down. You should message me on this WhatsApp number. This is the WhatsApp number of A to Z Chemistry. You can send message on this number, and your doubt will be cleared, and video lectures of clearing this doubt will be uploaded on YouTube channel of A to Z Chemistry YouTube channel with a playlist name of your name, based on your name. You can go through the video lectures on YouTube and clear your doubt. This is also most important part. Most of the video lectures that are given doesn't include this part, and you cannot think of studying without your clearing your doubts. So I have given this benefit also to the students so that they can get maximum benefit. 6th point is believe on me. Believe on the video lectures. If you will follow any of the video lectures, any chapter of the video lectures, you will see you are the topper of chemistry in your classroom. No one will stand parallel to you. So please believe on me. You will be the topper of chemistry. You will be definitely topper of chemistry. I am guarantee you. So believe on me and yourself. If you will complete any chapter from video lectures, you will be topper of chemistry in your classroom. As well as another point I am saying that after completing the video lectures, you should go through problem discussion part. You should solve the many problems. You should solve your own package where you are studying. You should solve the question bank, and after solving these questions and question bank, you will be confident enough to get maximum marks in competitive examination like JEE Main, JEE Advanced and PMT exams. So this is after completing video lectures. You should go through problem solution, question bank solution. I'm not telling that you should read problem solution, you should read question bank solution, but you have to solve it. You have to solve it. You have to solve it. Once you will solve these problems, you will confident enough to get maximum marks in competitive examinations, almost 100% marks in any chapters. That I am guaranteed you. After completing these chapters, these parts, you can get maximum benefit. You can get maximum marks. I'm writing right over there. You can get maximum marks in your any competitive exams. JEE Advanced, JEE Main, PMT, etc. In all competitive examination, you can get maximum benefit, you can get maximum marks, and you will be the topper of the chemistry. So believe me, you will be best student of chemistry if you will follow the complete video lectures of A to Z chemistry. This is the systematic way in which you have to use the video lectures. Go through the video lectures in systematic way, complete chapters in systematic way, one by one you have to complete the chapters. After completing one chapter, you should move to the other chapters. Sit with paper and pen always. Write down every details. This will involve you in the learning process and create your own notes. After this, you have to feel like classroom program. Raise your doubts in your mind. If doubt occur, write it down. Message me do doubt on WhatsApp number, this one, and your reply will be uploaded in YouTube or WhatsApp with your name as playlist on YouTube in 8 to 10 days. Believe me, believe on yourself. If you will complete any chapters from the video lectures of A to Z chemistry, you will see that you are doing much better in chemistry. You will be the topper of chemistry in the classroom. Then after completing the video lectures, you should go through the question bank solution. You should solve many problems, and after doing all this, you will be the topper of chemistry in competitive examinations like JEE Main, JEE Advanced, JEE PMT, AIIMS, etc. So this is the way in which you have to use the video lectures provided by me.